What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be playing some Roblox. This game, can't see my face, but I'm a skelly skin, skelly ball. I'm a skelly ball. I'm a Slytherin snake. So, yeah. So, I'm sorry if I'm a little loud. Not trying to, and I'm sorry if there's a little thing around my mouse, like see where it's squiggling. I'm trying to fix that if it's there, but if it's not, this is my first time using this new screen recorder, so I hope it's good, hope it's not laggy, so yeah. If it's not, I'm gonna continue to use this. Okay, let's go to my base over here. Hold up. Guys, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I got it all. So basically, got all my monies, got my base here. So yeah. Let's get into this. What should we do? So I just recently built this. Built this. I recently built this. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be joined by my brother. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so he's gonna log in any second now. So yeah, this is what I recently built. So, here, I'll try doing it. So you might realize it says SM truck only, which stands for small. So what we're gonna do is this. Get my truck. See, works like a charm. You can go down it. Pretty smooth. Well, kind of smooth. Depends on how you say. I'm about to blacklist everybody, but you can go up it easy.
I'll give you another.
Okay, so basically, yeah, that was a fail, but yeah. I think it's because I acted this extra layer right here. Let me blacklist everybody. Sorry guys if this seems a little laggy. I am a little laggy. I just turned on my computer, so once this starts running, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna start making 15-minute videos because some of my videos get pretty long, and it tells me so because we're 2 minutes and 5 seconds into the video right now. So. Yeah. So, yeah, here's my base. I'll give you guys a tour. I'll give you guys a quick tour. Let me exit out. So, basically, when you walk up, it says rich, not really rich, just, yeah. And then you donations. So SM truck only. You got my little parking garage, if you would say. Yep. LOL. Modded sawmill. That props to Nelson Gamer 2019. Props to him. He helped me make this. But yeah, that one works. Just doesn't have a hatch. It has a door, I think. So, yeah, it works. You guys can donate through that if you guys want to. So, come over here. Ooh, I'll fix that later. Got that. I'll fix that. But yeah, I have a lot of fixing up to do. Have that. It's okay. I meant to do that. So yeah, here's a bunch of stuff that hackers did for me. I was told them just like, yo, can you do a little bit on my base for me? I was just like, they're just like, sure, I'll do some gray wood. And I was like, oh yeah, thanks. So yeah, I got this. Here's this. This is pretty sick.
Can you tell him not to laugh at my face
This one. So yeah, that's that sawmill thing. So sorry for that noise. It's pretty loud. I'm gonna run away. Okay, so yeah, and then you come over here. That's working right there. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up! Quick, quick! This noise is annoying. Okay, so yeah, there's an extra parking garage. Come over here. Recently built this thing. I love this thing. I use it a lot. Got this. Got my truck. Recently built this. This took me like an hour maybe to build, especially getting all that wire. Took forever, so yeah, here's this. Got my green wood, took me a while. So yeah. The red stripe in the middle, obviously. Everybody does this red stripe. Honestly, if you're gonna build something like this, you gotta have a red stripe down the middle. And the white, obviously. Got my modded sawmill that's hooked up to right here, so that's closed like that. So yeah, it comes out here, spits out here. Here's one of my modded pieces. Not the best modded piece, but it's good enough. In the next video, I'm gonna be getting the power. So basically, what the power is it gives you the power to build with ease. So what that means is like I can grab here. Let me slice up part of this right here. Let me put this in a random sawmill real quick. So like, say I were to get like, let me come over here. Because I just have a random sawmill lying around right here. So get this and say I just make this size. Wait, hold on. Say I were to just make the size over here like as small as it would, okay? So I put it through. Just imagine this is really small, like the thinnest piece. Just imagine. Okay, guys? Go with me. Come with me. So yeah, what is going on? Okay, so basically, say this was like this big, like just a quarter of this, like that much. So like that much. I would be able to put this into like maybe like a blueprint, like not a wedge. Wedge are pretty easy. 26 wood, like 26 like little things required. I'll be able to just put like that thing right here into it, which I do not have right now. Cause look what happened. I put that in 3%. That would just, but like if I bought if I got the thing for 10 mil, press menu. 1 second, guys. Be right. Okay, guys. Sorry for that. Had to help. Yeah, here's my sawmill. Oh, my hatch despawned. Okay, this was going up to here, and the hatch was closing. It's fine. That's a modded sawmill. Yeah, that's my donate one. Yeah. So, I gotta show you guys one more thing. This thing's gonna be epic, guys. You guys will not believe it when you see this. Got my blue wood path. More blue wood. Bam. Bam. No, 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 no. Okay, guys, I'm gonna cut to when I get there. Alright, guys, here it is. Yeah. Yeah.
It's not doing anything.
Oh, you gotta select your plot.
Yeah.
Select a plot, like, do it right here. Do it right here. Oh, right next to mine?
Yeah.
You're right there, perfect. Then press. Click this. No, click that. So yeah. Hold up, helping. Press that. No, this! Alright. So, sorry guys, that was.
My brother.
Yeah, he's being an idiot.
I'm not being an idiot. I needed your help.
Hear that? So you come in here. Got all my eyeballs. Here, I'm gonna spread this out. Looks like so dumb whenever it's not spread out. I gotta spread it out. Hashtag spread it out, boys, in the comments. Guys, what are these candy bars for, bro? I just got, like, donated a bunch of these things off of this kid's base. They had pink trucks, okay? These are full of pink trucks, okay? And then, like, I don't know what happened, but, like, they're not pink trucks. Like, trucks. They're not pink trucks anymore. You guys like my floating steering? Yeah. Don't ask. I wasn't lazy. Ask Nelson Gamer. I'll leave his channel in the description. He got chickens by his nana. So yeah, basically, yeah, that's it. Come here. So yeah, I think we got one more thing. One more thing. Let's do a little bit of parkour. Okay, so here's this. Well, two more things. So we have this. Like, this is like a little outdoor area that I built a while back. It was pretty. What the heck? Okay. So yeah, that's an outdoor area.
Kill myself.
There's a bunch of pumpkins, so I have more pumpkins over here.
Pumpkins?
I said pumpkin! Stop judging me, loser! There's a bunch of more pumpkins right there. And then I have this thing right here. So basically, what you do, you hit the pressure plate. It's pretty lame. Hit the pressure plate, gate goes down. Drive across. Don't even have to be that quick. Go down. Bam. And then, oops, sorry. And then if I go back up, this, I can go up there. Not much speed. Oh. Okay. Hit this wall right here. Just gotta have a little tiny bit of speed because you hit that little thing right there. Gotta be able to get up past that little thing right there. Turn in. You're here. It's kind of rough. Sorry, I didn't mean to make it this rough. I had to use, I was limited to an amount of phantom wood. Wasn't planning on making this phantom. I was just planning this on making that, like, I had a lot of yellow wood left over, but used that for this. And then I was gonna make it out of, like, blue wood. That wood right there, I have a lot of. Well, not that wood, but, like, I have a lot of wood. I'll show you what I was gonna make it out of. I don't think I use it a lot. Because, like, I had all this. Wait, hold up. So yeah, here's all my wood. Out of this. This is my favorite type of wood. This one's not modded. Oh wait, let's go put this through the modded mill. Let's go put this through and see what happens. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's like long planking. I'm gonna do a long planking video to get the strange man. Actually, I might. Or I might just get there because that will take a while. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna be there for you guys. Yeah. So, open this up. Here we go. Get this thing. Shove it in there. Shove it in. It's not going in. Is it going in? It's through. Ah! Go, 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 go. Here. It's not the biggest modded piece, but it's pretty fat. It's hefty, hefty, hefty. So yeah, um, I was really debating this if I should make it like this, because this is a really small hole for it to come out of. Say I'm long planking. Oh, let me move these doors out of the way. I don't know what to do if I'll just put them. Just throw them right there for now. Oh, that looks pretty dumb. Let's do that. Who cares? Just close it. Alright, there we go. That leads to nothing. Yeah, guys, let's go walk over here. So yeah, let's go visit Evan. I'll meet you there when I'm over there. Okay, guys, we're almost here. I don't know what that cut was. I had a little bit of difficulty. I don't know. I just paused right there. There was no really cut, but like I guess it was cut in the video. But yeah. So we're here. Say what's up. Jump. Yep. You know that this is just gonna go like that, and if you try to put wood through this, that's just gonna push it back in, right? So let's just do this. Whitelist me. Whitelist me. Press whitelist, and yep, that one right there. Okay, then just press close. Okay, so I'm whitelisted, and then
Can you make my face cool?
I can try. You're gonna have to get more land. Do you want a little bit of money?
Yeah. Wait.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna
Here.
drop down like $1 million.
I'm gonna give you like a lot of money actually.
Okay, give me 1,000.
How much is that? That's 500. Fits 500,000. There you go. Oh, how much was that? That was not 500,000, but whatever.
5 million.
No, it's not. Okay, I gotta reload this. Look at your money. Bam.
I was at 35.
Yeah, what we're gonna do with that? We're gonna go buy max land for you.
Yeah.
See that thing around that I have around my base? We'll build you that. But let's not do that this episode, because we're gonna have to wrap up the video, okay?
What now?
Yep. So let's come do the outro with me.
Okay. Wait, can we do the outro while falling into the water?
Come here. Over here. We're not gonna jump into the water like idiots. You have your axe on you. Come here. Go drop your axe then, if we're gonna jump into the water. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Oh, yeah, guys, I don't know what's going on. My thing says, like, paint down here. I don't know. Like,
wait, how do I drop my axe?
like,
Why?
no. Backspace. So, yeah, I don't know what's up with it, guys. It's just been popping up in my game. It was probably in the beginning of the video, too, so. Like, I load my base in, and then it's, like, right there. Like, what are those? Yeah, guys, there's probably, like, a red thing, like, where I'm clicking. Like, I'm clicking right now. It's turning white. I don't mind it. I'm gonna fix it, though, so. Yeah, let's go. And this, video is only 748. No, 48. No, it's 720p, but, like, it's a little bit bad because I have, like, I don't know what's going on, but when I get this, I just turn this up. So, yeah. No, don't jump in that far. Come back, come back, come back. You're gonna die. Okay, whatever. So, so yeah, guys, we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Set, go. Oh, wrong way.
Swim, swim, swim.